We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of how to draw cool things, optical illusions, 3D letters, cartoons and stuff. A cool drawing guide for older kids, teens, teachers, and students by Rachel Goldstein. If you own this book, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable. How to Draw Cool Things is a spiral-bound drawing guide that has captured the attention of both young, aspiring artists and adults seeking to expand their creative skills. With a compact 56-page format, the book is designed for readers aged 8 to 11, though many adults and teens have also found it engaging and useful. The book's popularity is reflected in its strong customer rating of 4.6 out of 5, based on over 4,000 reviews, and its presence in the top ranks of drawing guides on Amazon. The first thing that stands out about this book is its focus on a wide variety of drawing styles, including optical illusions, three-dimensional letters, and fun cartoon elements. Users consistently praise the clear, step-by-step illustrated instructions that make even complex illusions accessible to beginners. Many reviewers have highlighted how these instructions demystify the process of creating 3D effects and optical illusions, making it possible for novices to achieve impressive results. One of the most frequently mentioned strengths is the book's appeal to a broad age range. While it is marketed toward older children and teens, adults have also found it enjoyable and educational. Several users who purchased the book for their children or grandchildren ended up using it themselves, often discovering new drawing techniques and rekindling their own interest in art. The spiral binding is another practical feature, allowing the book to lay flat on a desk or table, which is especially helpful for young artists who want to follow along with the instructions without having to hold the book open. The content of the book covers a diverse set of drawing projects. Among the 23 included illustrations are designs like Fish Attack, a floating cube, and a 3D heart. Each project is broken down into manageable steps with accompanying visuals that guide the reader through the process. This approach has been particularly effective for children who are just starting to experiment with drawing illusions or three-dimensional objects. The book's structure encourages experimentation and creativity, allowing users to build confidence as they progress from simpler to more challenging drawings. Parents and educators have found How to Draw Cool Things to be a valuable resource for encouraging artistic development. Many have noted that the book helps children develop spatial reasoning skills and an understanding of perspective, both of which are essential for creating convincing 3D effects. The projects are designed to be engaging and fun, which helps sustain the interest of young artists and motivates them to keep practicing. Despite its many strengths, the book is not without its limitations. Some users have expressed disappointment with the number of projects included, noting that 23 drawings may not provide enough variety for children who quickly work through the material. A few reviewers mentioned that their children, particularly those with more advanced drawing skills or strong interest in art, wished for more examples and a greater range of subjects. Others felt that the advertising led them to expect a larger selection of drawings and were surprised by the relatively concise content. Another point raised by some users is the book's suitability for different age groups. While the instructions are clear and accessible, a few reviewers suggested that the book is best suited for children aged 8 to 14, or for adults who are beginners or simply enjoy casual drawing. Advanced artists or older teens looking for more in-depth instruction or a broader range of projects may find the book less challenging. However, even experienced artists have occasionally found new techniques or creative inspiration within its pages. The book's design and presentation have also received positive feedback. The spiral-bound format is praised for its convenience, and the illustrations are described as clean, easy to follow, and visually appealing. The step-by-step approach is particularly helpful for visual learners, and the concise text ensures that instructions are not overwhelming or confusing. The compact size makes it easy to carry, which is ideal for students or children who want to take their drawing practice on the go. In terms of educational value, How to Draw Cool Things is recognized for its ability to foster creativity and independent learning. The projects encourage users to think critically about shapes, shading, and perspective, and the book often inspires readers to try their own variations or create original drawings based on the techniques learned. Teachers and parents have found it useful as a supplementary resource for art classes or as a gift for children interested in drawing. One of the recurring themes in user feedback is the sense of accomplishment that comes from completing the projects. Many reviewers have shared stories of children proudly displaying their finished drawings or sharing them on social media. The book's approachable style and achievable results contribute to a positive learning experience, which can be especially motivating for young artists who may be hesitant to try new techniques. While the book is primarily focused on drawing, it also encourages coloring and customization. Several projects invite users to add their own colors, patterns, or backgrounds, allowing for further personalization and creative exploration. This flexibility is appreciated by both children and adults, as it allows each artist to put their own spin on the drawings. In summary, How to Draw Cool Things, Optical Illusions, 3D Letters, Cartoons and Stuff by Rachel Goldstein is a well-designed drawing guide that has earned high marks from a diverse group of users. Its clear instructions, engaging projects, and accessible style make it a standout choice for children, teens, and adults who want to explore the world of optical illusions and 3D drawing. The book's strengths lie in its step-by-step approach, practical spiral-bound format, and ability to inspire creativity and confidence in artists of all skill levels. However, prospective buyers should be aware that the book contains a limited number of projects, and those seeking a more extensive collection or advanced instruction may need to supplement it with additional resources. The book is best suited for beginners or casual artists, but even experienced creators may find new ideas or techniques to enjoy. If you are looking for a drawing guide that is fun, approachable, and suitable for a wide range of ages, How to Draw Cool Things is a strong contender. It makes an excellent gift for children, teens, or adults who are interested in learning how to create eye-catching optical illusions and 3D effects. The book's popularity and positive reviews speak to its effectiveness as a teaching tool and its ability to spark a lifelong interest in drawing. To support the channel and find out more about this product, please use the link in the description. If you have used How to Draw Cool Things, Optical Illusions, 3D Letters, Cartoons and Stuff, please share your experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your insights and feedback are essential for building a community of creative learners.